Our shrub for this year is Vitex, or chase tree. This is actually, as you can see, actually becomes a very large shrub, or can be even considered a small tree depending on how it's managed over the years. And as we go further north, we're kind of on the northern edge, as we go further north we can get some winter kill and some dieback, so it's often treated more like a shrub. Now it has wonderful compound, palmately compound foliage, giving it a nice summer texture. The flowers bloom in early summer and then sporadically throughout the rest of the year. They're in panicles of pink, white, blue, and purplish colors. The newer selections of Vitex have much larger and more colorful spikes of blooms, as much as 8 to 12 inches long. So the newer cultivars are highly sought after. Now historically, Vitex was found on the official medicinal plant list of antiquity and is still found in herbal remedies today. This is again an excellent shrub. It's pest-free, attracts butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds, and is also what I would consider an excellent replacement for lilacs in the south, because lilacs really like the northern climates, the cooler temperatures that we see further north, but Vitex loves the heat and provides great color through the summer. Our tree this year is the winterberry euonymus, Euonymus bungianus. This is an excellent specimen tree, or can be used as a patio tree near their home. Has great ornamental qualities. The leaves are a bright green, has pendulous branches. The flowers appear in the springtime, but they're quite small and kind of a greenish yellow color, not really anything significant. But the fruits that follow are actually quite interesting, and on some selections they can be really pinkish in color, and this will get a little bit more pinkish as it matures. And then they split open as they mature, revealing this bright reddish orange arrow, which is a fleshy covered seed. And they can be really attractive later on in the fall and going into the winter months. Fall color can be yellow to orange and red. On this particular tree here, it's mostly yellow in the fall time. And the other nice characteristic this plant has is the bark. The bark has nice patterns to it, striations. It's a kind of a nice gray to brown streaks in the bark and on the older bark, and the younger stems are actually greenish in color, and so they are also very attractive. Now with the euonymus, one of the biggest pests on this species, or on the euonymus in general, is scale. But this one is mostly resistant to scale. We rarely see scale as a problem on this plant.